Hello guys, today we're going to discuss the lovable AI. This is actually specifically for the developers, and to be more specific, it's special in front end. So here you see lovable.dev. I will put the link of this AI in the video description, and from here you can see these guys have already given the prompt box here at the front page. Before we dive into this and test, let's explore it a little bit. So I already have created this uh, template from that. So it is already has the note taking app, SaaS landing page, and a developer portfolio, Kanban board. So let's try to create a SaaS landing page. Create landing page for SaaS startup. We can ask it to more specific. For example, for email marketing agency, black themed animations. Let's see how it does, and we will send the prompt, and it opens this preview box at the right side. This is the preview box, and here it's like the chat history and chat box. You can ask for modifications to this. This is how it is actually thinks. This you can say this is its approach. It's writing the code at the moment, and after writing the code, it will show us a little demo. It is basically creates in the React, because React is having a lot of ecosystem and the libraries. That's why the default library to create this is the React. Now the preview is going to get ready. Here you go. So it's missing actually the header, and otherwise everything seems to really fine, and sections are also missing. So let's see how it looks like on mobile. It's good on mobile. So let's ask it to add header and more sections. Add header and 4 more sections to the page body. So it will actually create the code, and then uh, refresh the page preview. It's taking a little long, and it actually depends upon the modifications and the amount of the modifications it has to do. And also there might be issue in my internet connection. That also can happen sometime. So here we go. Okay, it has created a header, and it's already given a nice name, mail boost. It looks nice name. And let's go. Okay, connect your data, design campaigns, and that, and these are the testimonials. Wow, the pricing packages, contact page, that's pretty good. Now let's see how it looks on mobile phone. Menu is working perfectly, and animation is also good. It has to add some we can say padding to both sides, but we can ask it to add, and it will add, and everything else seems good, and it's pretty responsive. So open in the new tab. We can test it for the its responsiveness in the new tab. Meanwhile it loads up. Let's Okay, it's loaded up. Let's go to inspect, and let's test its responsiveness. It's good. Oh, wow. Of course, that's not a practical case to have this much small screen, but overall it's pretty responsive and nice. Let's see how this section behaves. Wow, that's also good. You can see it's pretty awesome. Let's look up at this section. That's also nice. So guys, this is just how much time we spent on this? Almost 5 minutes. And in the 5 minutes we have the landing page ready, and it's all of the links are properly working and everything. This is just the front end in React in 5 minutes. So next is we can also um, push it, publish it, and of course when we publish we will be getting some kind of URL here, and from there you can switch between the code and the preview. So this is overall code. You can manually preview the code and also copy and paste somewhere here. So here we can go to GitHub. We can actually transfer this repository to your GitHub connection. So actually you need to connect to GitHub, and this whole of the repository will be transferred to your GitHub. This is very cool and awesome uh, front end developer. Of course it is not a match to actual developer human developers, but this gives us a really good startup approach to create our landing pages and email templates and such small things. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment uh, how you think it would be going in future. Of course, at the moment it is almost free, and in future it would be paid, because everything costs money, because lovable developer team will be paying for this backend AI and servers, etc. So for the moment it's free, and it's a big development from the lovable team. Thank you.